Today we're going to learn about composite numbers. The first rule is all even numbers are composite except 2. So if you have a number like 4, there are 3 factors of 4. You have 4, which is equal to 1. You have 2, which is equal to 2. And you have 1, which is equal to 4. So you have 3 factors of 4. As you might notice, one of the factors of 4 is 2. And every even number can be divided by 2. So every even number has a factor of 2. What this means is whatever even number you take, it will always have at least 3 factors, because any even number can be divisible by itself. Here 16 divided by 16. It can be divided by 1. And now it can also be divided by 2. So even numbers will always have at least 3 factors. And this goes into our second rule. The second rule is composite numbers have more than 2 factors. So as I explained earlier, all even numbers have at least 3 factors. So that's why all even numbers are composite. The reason 2 is not composite is because 2 can only be divided by 2, and 2 can also be divided by 1. This is 1, this is 2. There's no other factors it can be divided by, because the only candidates are 1 and 2. So if we take the second rule here, you might notice that this contradicts with prime numbers, which means composite numbers are inherently not prime. Now let's take 25 for example. How do we know if this is composite? Well, it's not an even number, so we can't automatically call it out as a composite number. And it can be divided by itself and 1, of course. But 25 can also be divided by 5. And this is 5. And so because there are already 3 factors, we automatically know that it's composite. How about the number 110? This one's easy. We know that it's even, so it's automatically composite.